Hey guys, I'm going to try to keep it short. I don't have much of a voice. I don't think I have COVID, but what I have can't be much different than COVID because it sucks. So I haven't been on the mic very much, but still waking up and still trading every day. The SPY, really dead day, closed about where it opened. Couple highlights from the day real quick. Excuse me, CAN, was on the overnight watch list, and it looked just like this when Jane gave the 1850 idea through the half with the open and the high of day just above. Bitcoin was strong this morning because I think PayPal had something to do with that. Anyway, there's the break of the half and never looked back. From Jane's 1850 idea, it went all the way to 2154 without revisiting the entry idea. I love that call by Jane. VTSI. Let's go to 2-minute candles again. I called VTSI over the mic in chat. Probably looked about like this. I called a second mouse through 750. And there's the 750 tag. And then it halted at 777 because of the volatility rule. And then opened up here. I got stuck in that halt. I'll show you. I took a screenshot. I did a market buy. And I just did a market because I thought I'm going to miss it if I don't. I don't usually condone doing market orders. But I got filled at 738. I want to say within a couple seconds, it was hitting 750. So that's a really nice fill. But I didn't even have time to hover over the 750. I just did market, right? So filled at 738 and sold in a couple parts, but my best fill, I just did a limit of 845 using the TradeStation matrix. 845 was a random number. It was trading well above that, but my matrix hadn't caught up to it yet, so I just hovered over 845 to sell some. And that's why the limit of 845 filled at 873. It wasn't a lucky fill or anything. It was trading in the 870s. I just, again, I threw my cursor over to any number underneath where it was trading because I wanted to sell some. And I had a really nice fill. That's, I don't know, almost $1.40. And if you look at the time, well, it seems longer than it was. It was about 10 minutes apart, but it was halted for a good chunk of that period, right? I was waiting for the halt waiting for the thing to resume. So that was one of those fun halts to get stuck in, and that trade set me up right there for the day. I mean, I made enough in that trade to just make my day. So wasn't very busy after that. Anyway, in the interest of saving what little throat I have left, I'm going to go into the what are we watching tomorrow, right? SEEL has kind of been chopping sideways since this, and now it's curling up out of a range. So I'm going to watch that for a follow-through date. Excuse me, tomorrow. VVPR, nice volume, pretty strong close. We're watching that. Remember, I'm a day trader. I'm 100% cash every night. So these are things I might trade tomorrow with an A+ intraday setup. APTO, that's very similar to SEAL. Had the big pop sideways for a while and curling up. I didn't type that right. BOWX is what I meant to type. You had the big pop 3 sessions ago, then the red day and curling right back up again. So I'm going to watch that one for potential long. Fubo isn't very pretty, but it did bounce off the 200-day like we were looking for. And I'm just looking for a continuation of the bounce tomorrow. Cinedigm, CIDM, had the pop back here, rolled over, and then a pretty strong day today and a strong close. So I'm going to keep my eyes on that one. MOXC, kind of a breakout of a range with another catalyst still above. And today's high could be considered a catalyst tomorrow over 415. JFIN bounced nicely today, closing well off its highs up, but we're going to keep our eyes on that one. HPR, and type that one right. Try that one more time. HPR, not a very pretty daily chart. You had this rip to almost 12 about a week ago. And then today topped out at 899, but closed all the way at 610. Let me go with 5-minute candles. Had a big rip here. I had a couple pullback plays in it, but then it rolled over at the end of the day. So I'm going to keep it on watch, but I'm not in love with it because it gave so much of the gains back. NEXT is just holding up really well after that big pop a few days ago. So it goes back on watch. Couple more DLPN. Just goes back on bounce watch. You got 3 red days in a row. It's one of those NFT plays. I don't love it, but we're going to watch it. And then CLRO. In after hours, still about a half hour left in the after hours session. No, after hours closed at 8. Never mind. It's already closed. This thing closed in after hours at 4:40. So after the gap up this morning and the sell-off, must have had some after hours news because it's trading all the way up here. So there could be some shorts caught in this thing. Gonna watch that one tomorrow and add other gappers in the pre-market as well. I'm done babbling. My throat's killing me. I'll see you guys in the chat room in the morning.